boys and girls. Today we are going to use pictures and subtraction to compare. Open up your math workbook and turn to page 93. Push pause on the video and then push play once you have page 93 in front of you. Okay, so you're on page 93. Listen as I read the problem. There are 9 brown dogs. There are 5 bulls. How many more dogs need a bowl? So I already have my 9 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to add my 5 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which group has more? Did you say the brown dogs? Yes, the brown dogs have more. How many more do they have? How many dogs need a bowl? Let's connect our dogs to the bowls to see how many dogs need a bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 dogs have a bowl. Circle your dogs that don't have a bowl. How many dogs did you circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 dogs need a bowl. All right, let's try another one. There are 7 white dogs. There are 8 bowls. How many bowls are not needed? All right, so we have our 7 white dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's add our 8 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one has more? My white dogs or my bowls? Did you say bowls? Yes, I have more bowls than dogs. Let's see how many bowls are needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 7 bowls. Circle the bowls that you don't need. Let's count how many bowls we don't need. 1. 1 extra bowl. Great work today, boys and girls. I'm very proud of you.